State Attorney General William Tong announcing today that Connecticut is joining a multi-state lawsuit against the Trump administration. Tong seeking to block more of the federal government's moves now to cancel more than $170 million in public health grants for Connecticut. Our News 8 political reporter Mike Cerulli live at the Capitol with the details. Mike.
Hey Darren, good evening to you. This grant money originates in pandemic-era programs. The Trump administration says, hey, the pandemic is over. They're looking to follow through on that promise to drastically reduce federal spending. Connecticut Democrats could not disagree with that more. They say recovering this money is quite literally a matter of life and death.
People will die.
This is an act of war on the people.
People will die as a result of this proposed federal cut.
Those are the stakes, according to Democrats, if the state attorney general isn't successful in recovering federal grant money used to fund disease outbreak monitoring, newborn health screenings, and more. This latest lawsuit, yet another front in Attorney General Tong's sprawling legal battle against the Trump administration.
Day in and day out, we are in court protecting the families of this state. I don't care who the president is.
The attorney general adding he'll keep suing, and he would like to see the state's Republicans on his side.
To my Republican friends, these are your constituents too. This is your state too. I know you love this state, so join with us in this fight.
As for where Connecticut's leading Republicans are in all this, they were in Ansonia, visiting a petroleum trucking company to pitch a plan they say would deliver thousands of dollars worth of savings on tax and energy bills. We asked them to respond to the latest pullback from Washington and to Tong's lawsuit.
It's incumbent upon the state of Connecticut to advocate for the state of Connecticut, but as is typical with the Democratic Party in our state, they don't want to address what is in the here and the now, because they've controlled every lever of government for decades now. They've led to the second highest tax burden in the country. They've led to the third highest electric rates.
Back at the Capitol, another leading Democrat said it is not possible to detach what's happening in Washington with tariffs and spending cuts from the cost of living in Connecticut.
Rather than stand at some oil heating delivery service, they should be standing with us right now, looking into the cameras, saying to the President of the United States, this is bad, this will hurt our state.
Standing at that heating oil delivery company, Harding again argued it's the Democrats who are avoiding questions about affordability.
They don't want to talk about the fact they've been in charge since Ryan and I were in high school in this building and have done nothing but raise taxes and fees and regulations upon small businesses and residents alike. They'll lie about aspects of our plan and then point to Washington, D.C.
So where does this all leave Connecticut? Well, those funds could be recovered if the Attorney General is successful, but more than that, the leading Democrats here who run the show at the Capitol, they say any deeper cuts, they really don't know how to fill in those holes without really extraordinary budget measures like dipping into the surplus or the rainy day fund. Those are decisions they'll have to make in the coming months. Live at the state Capitol tonight, Mike Cerulli, News 8.